Yo, what's up, everyone? I was just scrolling through LinkedIn and I came across this bomb post by my man Breach Pandi, and you can see he's a experienced software engineer, and he hooked us up with 7 data engineering terms you need to know to stay ahead of the curve. So, if you're currently a data engineer or you're looking to be a data engineer, this list is for you, so you can make sure you don't fall behind that curve. Again, this list in no way is mine. This is totally from Bridge Pandi's profile. So if you want more content like this, make sure you go look him up and follow him on LinkedIn. So I'm just going to give my opinion on how I would pronounce these words with my American accent. So let's use this awesome graphic that he also gifted us. So number 1, change data capture. Change data capture. Normalization, denormalization. Normalization, denormalization. Data lineage. Data lineage. Data governance. Data governance. Column-oriented database. Column-oriented database. The next one, I think most people can pronounce the first one. Pub sub. Pub sub. Execution plan. Execution plan. Alright, so that's the list. Hopefully you guys can find this useful. Again, make sure to check out Bridge Pandi's LinkedIn profile if you want more content like this. But now that you can pronounce these words in a natural way, you just boosted up your English.